3 nightly routine non-negotiables. I'm a night owl, which means there's a lot of time between dinner and when I go to bed, and you want to make that time productive. The first thing I've done is I got an exercise bike on Amazon. It cost me $100. I got it during COVID, and I still use it. I get on the exercise bike about 30 minutes to an hour. I put my laptop down right on top, and I check my emails, I listen to podcasts, and I just make the time productive. You don't even notice time going by when you're on it. And I lost about 20, 30 pounds doing this method. The second thing that I do is I make my lunch the night before. Right before I go to bed, pretty much religiously, I make a big salad. You know, you can make a sandwich, whatever you prefer, but I prefer to do it the night before. When I make my lunch the morning of, I get really stressed out. Your family's talking to you, you can't concentrate, and you're in a rush. So if you want to alleviate some stress, make your lunch the night before. The last thing that I do, third non-negotiable, is instead of watching TV the whole time you're up, I play music. So I play piano, guitar, and I read. When I don't play music, I listen to music. I got a record player. And when I don't actually read, I have my audiobook. I'm not saying that I don't watch TV at all, but I'm just saying fill in some of those hours with some mentally stimulating activities that are healthy for you. So work on those nighttime routines. I'm sure you have some really healthy nighttime rituals yourself. Let me know how that goes for you, and good luck.